Ladies and gentlemen, when a country decides to conquer the sea, you can see its true development philosophy. In Kongyo, Vietnam is not just reclaiming land. Vietnam is reclaiming its place on the world map of sustainable, high-tech urban development. This is where environmental protection, engineering excellence, and global standard ambition finally meet. First, the Kongyo Land Reclamation Project shows that Vietnam is serious about protecting nature while growing fast. The developer has chosen advanced techniques such as KDPM mud stabilization and modern sand spray reclamation that recycle dredged sediment, sharply reduce offshore sand mining, and cut CO2 emissions versus traditional methods. These technologies help protect the UNESCO-recognized mangrove biosphere of Kongyo instead of sacrificing it for short-term profit. Second, this project proves that Vietnamese engineers and workers are ready to operate some of the most complex technologies in the world. The KDPM system, transferred from Japan and already used at airports like Chubu, Haneda, Pudong, and Marina Bay, is now being localized, automated, and run by Vietnamese teams at industrial scale, processing up to thousands of cubic meters of soft soil per hour. At the same time, Vietnam's engineers are working side by side with leading European consultants from the Netherlands and Switzerland to meet strict international standards on ground stability and water quality. Third, Kongyo clearly signals that Vietnam has set its development standards at a truly global level. A $10 billion, 2,870-hectare reclaimed city with ESG++ targets, located next to 75,000 hectares of protected mangroves, using the same caliber of technology found in New York Harbor, Singapore, and Tokyo. This is not an emerging market experiment. This is world-class execution in an emerging market price range. Last but not least, for global investors, the message is simple. Vietnam is building the future with the world's best tools, on the world's toughest terrain, for the world's most demanding standards.